Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It has been a very long time since I did one of these. This is the coffin trinket dish mold, and today what I decided to do was do a clear casting but dropping in liquid. Yes, liquid. Okay, I'm very tired, sorry. What I meant to say was alcohol ink. Dropping in alcohol ink and having it flow down. So actually with this one, what I might end up doing is, where's it at? Here it is. Doing the alcohol ink itself, and then also mixing the alcohol ink with some resin in like these little cup things, and then dropping that in and seeing if that makes any difference. But yeah, that's basically what we're going to do today. I want to see the effects of the alcohol ink going down the sides of the mold. As for the top, I'll probably just do the same thing, dropping the alcohol ink in and then doing some with the resin as well. I'm just kind of curious to see if adding the resin with the alcohol ink does anything different than just doing straight alcohol ink. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to get my resin all mixed up and pour it in and do the alcohol ink with that, and of course that will be a time lapse. So let's start that time lapse up, and I hope you guys enjoy. Hang tight. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. right, my dudes. These are all cured up. I gotta say, looking at the side here, I don't hold out much hope for the ink actually making it down to the sides. So this may be like a half fail. I guess it depends on what you like. Let's go ahead and get this out. Alright, let's flip this back in. There we go. Let's see how that looks. Okay. It's not bad. I'm not terribly mad at it. I do wish that the ink had flowed down more. It did in some spots. You can see. Like, that's really cool. So I'm thinking if I try this particular design idea again, I'm thinking that I will have to pour the resin and do the alcohol ink when it's just freshly mixed, so that way it's kind of a looser. Yeah, like it's not so thick. So let's see what the lid looks like. This I'm really excited about. If I can get it off. There we go. Just got to get it started. Okay, so I do have a few bubbles, which I figured. I was working with a lot of resin at the time because I was doing a couple of pours at once. So this one was a little bit thicker, so I wasn't able to get all of the bubbles out, but that's okay. Alright, so let's see what it looks like. You can see the bubbles. Oh, okay. That's pretty darn cool. Wow. Okay, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at all at it. I'm trying to see if maybe, if I can remember where I'd put, so there are some spores that got awful close to the top, you know, that came up quite a ways. So I'm wondering if that's where I had put the alcohol ink with the resin in. But either way, that's a pretty cool looking box. I'm actually really happy with it. I think it's very adorable. I'm a little mad about this bubble right here in the corner, but other than that, I think it turned out great. I do, like I said, I do wish that the ink had flowed down. So I might try this again, but this time with fresher ink. You know, not when I'm doing like 4 or 5 projects at once. Yeah. Anyway, so that, you guys, is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, let me know what you would have done differently if you're a resin crafter. Let me know some of your awesome techniques that you have for petri dish pours. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, if you like content like this, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thanks again so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care, guys. Thank you.